guys, this is Lex and welcome to Lex Creations PH. Right now we are here at a new place here in Bacolod City, and this is the hashtag TDR or the desserts room. I'm so excited to show you the place. Let's go! Whoa! So guys, as you can see, madaming chocolates dito. Tingnan mo. Oh, sobrang saya talaga guys. It's like you are a kid. So ito din guys, mga chocolates. Wali. Dove! Tapos cup noodles. Chocolate flavor. Mars! Kamusta na Mars? Hi, hindi ko siya matawagan. Kitwigs ko na lang siya.
Bligyan eh.
Hindi. Barney. Kadamo lamok no. Kung nadala yung musketeers. Palay. Tara, hindi na. So guys, I forgot to make an extra. So dito na lang ako sa Series Smart. Kasi mag-edit ako ngayon. So my feedback is the desserts room is a really good place. It's Instagrammable. However, yung mga prices din nila really marked down talaga. So if you're looking for chocolates or desserts na very cheap and very affordable, however na quality siya na from outside the country, dito kayo sa desserts room Bacolod. Actually kanina may bumili na OFW or something from labas, and she forgot to buy some pasalubong or chocolates, kaya doon na lang siya bumili, and it's cheap, diba? So nalimutan nyo din, doon kayo bumili sa desserts room. So pagkakaalam ko, meron din silang reseller thingy, or they're open for resellers. All you need to do is to purchase 2,000 worth of chocolates there, and then pwede na kayong sumali sa kanilang reseller. Ang benefit nila is meron silang markdown price. It's what they call reseller price, and second, the total accumulated price ng kanilang binili is may 3% discount. So diba guys, it's very beneficial. All you need to do is to buy 2,000 pesos worth of chocolates, diba? So yeah, if you want to be a reseller, I'm gonna put the details on the description box. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe, hit the like button, and give this video a big thumbs up. Hope you had a sweet time with me at desserts room. Yes, na-miss ko mag-vlog actually. So thank you, bye bye.